Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction update of my 4 clients here in Madonna Residences. So for house number 1, Julieta unit po ito ng aking USA client. So currently installing the trusses dito sa garage. And then hindi na kami pumasok kasi natutulog yung mga workers. And then this is the Julieta model. So isa to sa bestseller namin. And then second house naman is the Abigail unit of my Bataan client. So structural for the first floor done and assembling of aluminum formwork na po for the second floor. Ayan po siya. And then third house naman, Abigail unit ulit from my Japan client naman. So yung concrete fence naman yung ginagawa dito. And then, ito po ang Abigail model natin. Ito din yung favorite namin among the model houses. And our last house, house number 4. So, Melcon unit ito ng aking Dubai client. So, structural of the garage is already done. And then, installation na ng trusses. And then, dito sa loob naman, starting na sila sa stairs. And also, yung bathroom partition natin, tapos na rin siya. So, ito ang ating Melcon unit. So, yung mga pictures na nakikita nyo, yan yung pictures ng model house. So, ayan po siya. And ito yung ating living area kay Melcon and yung garage natin. So, ito naman po si Melcon. Just message us if interested. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Have a nice day!